OK。
对啊，其实北美其实都很好吃。
あ、ビンセンさん。あ、hello。Thank you。おお。あ、ニューフィッティング。そう。これは16。16.
16 or 20.
12? And 20. なるほど。Okay.
So just sample. Oh, this one. You can try.
Okay. Magnet?
Yes, magnet.
ああ。おお。
So you can change the color.
くっつくんですね。
Yeah, it will be look like this. It will be at the stand table.
マグネット。
Yeah, magnetic.
Very good.
Or you could change to the black one. Still good.
So very stylish.
Yeah, but we will come out more design on this. Oh yeah, this is big one.
Okay.
Yes.
Very unique.
Just new one, but we hope people will like it. This is like a L more advanced compare AIO.
AIO.
The future on this will be brackets should be changed. You have AMD one, but you want to change to Intel one.
Intel AMD.
And soft tube. But this you could use the hard tube fitting. Just plug in.
Plug in.
That's it. Yeah. The retail version. All the L have two cups. One is infinity. You could magnetic.
Magnet.
Yes. Or very simple one. Yeah, we also came from display module.
Display module.
People could upload the image, the GIF. Yes, GIF file like Turo. Hello.
Picture.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a replacement model of that one. Yes. And this is replace design for the
replace.
Yes, for the current one, Apple. I think we will release another new design after COMPUTEX because our engineer forgot to make sample.
GP. Okay.
Because it's type screw, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, same.
Yeah. So two pattern. そしてマグネット。リザーバー。
reservoir.
Oh.
But yes,
Mm.
you can change it to display.
So DDC.
No, not DDC. Or new.
あ、ニューポンプ。なるほど。So this year.
Yes, this year.
This year.
What way?
へ
Okay.
トップパネル。
Yeah.
なるほど。はい。
So you can change it to this one.
So this one?
Serious.
Mini.
Mini. Yes. Yes. We have 9.
ということだ。
Yeah, for example, you could use like yeah.
おー。I see.
A lot of people don't know how to choose fitting, but right now we hope customers use this. They just thinking how to make their loop,
Loop.
just in or out. That's it, and choose their fitting and tube. That's it.
Very
Yeah.
simple.
Yes, make everything simple. We'll hold the reservoir. Yeah. For example, you could use like this. Right now it's this, but
Yeah.
it could be used like this.
Holder. Okay.
Took off, or if you mount like this way, you could. Yes.
Magnet.
Yeah.
Holder?
The holder.
Holder.
Yeah. The reservoir holder.
Yeah.
This is for small one. For the big one, you could like hold this or this.
Same row chain.
Oh yes. Or I think, yeah. Or I think you could hold like this.
Okay.
And this one, the new cover for the palm.
Magnet?
Yeah. You can try.
Oh.
You don't see the screw, but for this, you'll see.
Full magnet.
Yes.
Oh. Cool.
Yeah. And this one,
rotate.
Yes.
なるほど。Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. まあ。Okay. なるほど。RGB.
Yes.
Okay.